Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog. I'm Casey Cindy Nobuela, Mariki Marilia, Mia Gaita, and I'm Jonah Jayanata, and we are a crop science student here in Sorsogon State University, Castilla Campus! At ngayon, meron tayong kakausapin na naging successful sa larangan ng agrikultura. Tara, samahan nyo kami! Welcome to Summer Agri Learning Site School for Practical Agriculture, Mayon, Castilla, Sorsogon. And today, we are with Ma'am Rosalinda Verano, the school farm administrator.
Hi ma'am, good morning. I'm Jonah Jayanata po and I'm with my group mates.
Mariki Marilia,
Casey Abuela,
Mia Gaita.
And we are from Sorsogon State University, Castilla Campus. So nandito po kami ma'am ngayon to conduct an interview as part of our project po sa Agri-Economics and Marketing. So, we'll start po ma'am the interview.
Okay, so welcome.
Thank you po ma'am.
Sa Summer Agri Learning Site School for Practical Agriculture.
Ma'am, can you tell us po about your background?
Okay, good morning and good morning Miss Mariki.
Good morning ma'am.
So all about my background, I'm a graduate of agriculture and I'm proud of that. I'm a graduate of agriculture. The course of mine is Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Education, major in agronomy, minor in animal husbandry. No? After graduation, I was employed first at the DepEd for 1 year. Then after that, I was employed at the Sorsogon National Agricultural School as vocational school teacher, teacher 1. Okay. After maybe 5 years, I was promoted to teacher 3 without having the teacher 2. And of course, with my background, as far as agriculture is concerned, I'm very much willing to share to my students the knowledge that I have. Then later, I was again promoted to instructor 3. Instructor 3. Until such time na naging associate professor 4 ako. I finished my masteral degree at the Bicol University, vertical position agriculture, crop production. That's my masteral degree. No? Then after that, I was promoted as associate professor 4, no? Sa TESDA, Sorsogon National Agricultural School. And after 29 years, I retired at the age of 60. So I retired and not knowingly na magkakaroon kami ng ganitong farm. But for our background, really, kahit noon pa, we really engaged in agriculture. Kasi we love agriculture and yun ang nagiging hobby namin mag-asawa ni Sir Verano, the owner of the farm school, the Summer Agri Learning Site. Ano po? Okay, so we started from a small area having our poultry production. Nagsimula kami ng mag-asawang manok hanggang sa dumami. hanggang sa dumami ng dumami, nakabili kami ng mga equipment para maipagpatuloy namin ang aming mga ginagawa sa larangan ng agriculture. So, before, meron kaming swine production, meron kaming poultry production, merong ruminant production, which is recently nandito yon, and ginagamit namin yon sa pagtuturo ng mga bata. Okay? So, sa background, yun ang naging nakaraan namin na after retirement, we devote our time in agriculture, continuing the project as to the poultry production, piggery project, the small ruminants just like your goat, no? Pinagpapatuloy namin yun. And then, of course, a little area for organic agriculture, no? Nagtatanim kami ng mga different vegetables na kung saan ito yung nagiging instructional materials and area ng mga estudyante, no? Okay, after our retirement, nagkaroon na kami ng farm school which was accredited by Agricultural Training Institute Region 5, no? So dito nag-start kami mag-cater ng lahat ng mga subjects or courses sa larangan ng agriculture, mga short-term courses, enhancement, all about NC2, yan. Nagsimula kami sa isang maliit na kwarto, isang little room na doon namin kinikater ang mga estudyante na interesado na magkaroon ng kaalaman tungkol sa agrikultura. Until how many years? Ikakat ko na, shorten ko. Year 2017, approved kami ng Agricultural Training Institute. Nagkikater na kami lahat ng agricultural courses, agricultural enhancement, and we started catering the work immersion of the DepEd, no? So before the pandemic, meron kaming 10 DepEd schools. We have their contract, MOA signing. Then dito sila nag-work immersion. They stay here for 10 days. Then after 10 days, subject for assessment. So we're very lucky also because always 100% passing nila as competent result for the work immersion program. So until now, we also cater until such time na-approve kami, accredited uli kami ng TESDA, the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, which we are now starting catering the NC2 for agri-crop production NC2, organic agriculture production NC2, the animal production poultry chicken NC2, and animal production swine. We also cater small ruminants, just like your goat and sheep, ano? And we are also accredited with the short-term courses, vinegar making and buko pie making, which will start on the 20th of this December, no? Yung buko pie making. Presently, we are about to finish the animal production poultry chicken NC2, having 32 days, no? So malapit na kaming mag-culminating by December 21. That will be the last day of our animal production poultry chicken NC2. So yan ang background namin, all about agriculture, no? And until now, maybe by next year, we will be starting again the work immersion program, and we have already a contract from Panlayaan National High School sa Tublihon ba yun? And the rest of the DepEd schools, just like your Pilar Comprehensive National High School, the Abukay National High School, Dinapa National High School, and Kumadkad National High School, no? So yan ang pinaghahandaan namin ngayon for the work immersion program, and the rest is for the TESDA program, no? All about agriculture. Lahat po ng sa agriculture accredited po kami. So until now, ganun ang ginagawa namin mag-asawa because of agriculture. Since birth, agriculturist kami, ano? And sabi nga namin, we are both retired but not tired. That's our motto, ano. So we still continue sharing, giving insights and examples to the young ones so that they will be motivated to become agriculturists later. So that's all about our background.